Namaste. Welcome to a new series of Thought Habitat Speaks. So, we started with the In Conversation with series, which is now evolving. And then we had this Accomplished Women series, followed by Politics 360. And also, we had the series Health Matters. And all of these series are continuing. In addition to this, we are taking yet another interesting subject, and that is on astrology. And we will name the series as Astrology Explained because there is a lot of misconception about astrology and the science. And people often question the science rather than questioning the individual who are claiming all of this, all of the nonsense that's spreading. You know, since last 1 year, astrologers across India, or I must even say, or I must even call them as fake astrologers to some extent, because these people have been predicting that coronavirus, the pandemic, is going to end this time soon. I remember watching one video where the astrologer claimed that the entire coronavirus saga is about Shiv Tanda. The god is actually not happy with how the world is functioning, and so he has expressed his grievances with the pandemic. And the same astrologer went on to claim a lot of it, saying that this was about to happen and the worst is yet to come. But my question at the end of the day is, if the astrologer can predict something beyond this, why wasn't he able to predict the pandemic arriving? Rather, the astrologers were saying that the pandemic is not going. I mean, we cannot say that, but rather these astrologers were claiming that 2020 is going to be a very prosperous year for everyone. But we saw what happened. It was the worst year in all of our lives so far, and yet we were tiding through that. And 2021 is nothing different though. It is all continuing to be the same, a little better compared to 2020, we must say. So, to get into a detailed discussion about astrology and tell us what the astrology as a science says, what is in cards in the coming years, and to give a logical explanation to all the rumors and fake news that's spreading on astrology, we have Mr. S.S. Bakshi, who is a renowned astrologer, and he has been someone who's been advocating on telling the right information about astrology, and he has also been advocating on the truth about astrological sciences. So without much delay, let us welcome Mr. Bakshi. Mr. Bakshi, thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Arvind.
Yeah. So, Mr. Bakshi, I'm jumping on to my questions. So, my first question is, how real are the predictions on COVID-19? You know, as I said before, एक बंदा ने बोला कि ये सब मई 2020 में खत्म हो जाता है और एक बंदा बोला कि सितंबर 2020 में everything is getting over. And one other guy was claiming something different, that 2021 mein everything is going to be very prosperous. So, what is your opinion on this? Like, how
See,
real are these predictions?
I will give you in a funny way that coronavirus is a very smart chap, is a very smart virus, but it is not so much smart to read astrologers' calendar. So that's why the tuning between the astrologers and coronavirus is not getting so quite well, doing well. That's why coronavirus is giving astrologers nightmares. So this is not easy. Simple words. This is a life. This is a life and it has to end. But this is not the way that people are predicting. To, you said that it is very wrong thing. It is defaming the astrology. People want to gain fame. want to jump overnight, get fame, but this is not the right thing to predict like that. इससे क्या होता है कि आपको पूरा सिस्टम को ही एक हार्म मिलता है कि पीपल थिंक दैट दीज ऑल आर ब्लंडर्स, मतलब एट द डे एंड दे डोंट वांट टू ट्रस्ट यू. सो ये पूरा एक इसके लिए टोटल अलग सब्जेक्ट है कि व्हेन दिस विल गो, ये कैसे आया. एंड यू सेड दैट गॉड इज एंग्री विद हाउ पीपल आर doing things. God never sent you on this earth to do wrong things. We always say that focus on your karmas. So it is thing that we have to focus on. We have to keep our karmas very right, and nobody will be happy. God, your family members, your friends will not be happy if you are doing notorious things. So this is very simple, and that's why astrology is getting defamed due to some. I I don't have any words. People are doing these days.
Yeah, understood. So, sir, my next question is, while these people come and tell now that everything is going to change in the coming days, you know, अभी अभी ये सब बदलने वाला है. But you know, if they can really predict what is going to happen next, why weren't they able to predict the pandemic in itself?
Yes, we fail to predict. Reason, as you said, astrology. Astrology, Vedic astrology is a very vast subject. In that, it comes another topic called mundane astrology. I want to tell your viewers, very few learned astrologers and scholars are there in the whole world who study, who practice this mundane astrology. You have to be very after years and years of experience, or you can study, you get one or two predictions right. This is a very tough subject, mundane astrology. You have to study chart of the country, chart of the ruler, planet combination, and many more things, relations, in which house which planet is sitting. So it is not so easy. Years and years practice is required. After that, only very little of your predictions are getting right. So on social media, as you said, thousands and thousands people are coming and giving their predictions. All are going down, and this is defaming the thing. It is not so easy to predict when this coronavirus will go. This is a science, pure science. When virus has entered our society, it will not go like that. Yes, astrology can help you, can guide you, but as we are seeing, governments and our scientists and doctors are doing their hard work. This will go back collateral collective measure, I can say. सब लोग इकट्ठा इस पे काम करेंगे, साइंटिस्ट भी हैं, एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स भी, अगर कुछ अपनी तरफ से बता पाए. लेकिन जिस तरीके से ये बताया जा रहा है अभी लोगों को, दैट इज टोटली रॉन्ग एंड ब्लंडर. ऑन योर प्लेटफॉर्म आई विल रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज स्टॉप दीज टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेडिक्शंस.
And sir, you're someone who are defying all of these predictions, and you're an astrologer as well, right? So I would like to ask you, so what is actually in play in the coming days? Based on the
Can you
mundane astrology that, based on the mundane astrology which we're mentioning, so what is actually in play for us?
actually, when it will end, you want to know?
No, I mean, what is going to happen next? That's what I want to know.
What is going to happen? See, it is very hard to say what is going to happen, but some learned astrologers are working day and night on this, that how can we overcome. People are researching Ayurvedas. We are trying to find out stotras, missing stotras, which these days astrologers don't use. So how and when this will come to an end? But right now, no one has the answers. For example, I want to share you one little example with you, that how different opinions are there in our astrology society. There are, everyone knows India got democracy on 1947, 15th August 1947 at 0 hours. In
Yes.
1950, 26 January 1950, we got complete independence. Everybody agreed. You, Arvind, go randomly, you go to any astrologer and ask, sir, what is the Kundali chart of India? So he will just simply type in his software or whatsoever, he will tell you 15th August 1947, 0 hours. My dear friend, you only predict when the child is born. You take that date of birth. जब इंडिया आजाद ही नहीं हुआ, it got full independence on 1950, 26 January 1950. तो आप वो डेट क्यों नहीं लेते? वो 15 अगस्त 1947 0 hours क्यों लेते हैं आप, जबकि वो सिर्फ डेमोक्रेटिक एक सिर्फ डिक्लेयर हुआ था, फुल इंडिपेंडेंस मिली आपको 1950 आफ्टर 3 years. सो यही दिक्कत है, दिस इज अ बिग हर्डल के बेसिक पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग राइट. जब बेसिक राइट नहीं होगा, यू विल नॉट एबल टू डिलीवर. सो मैं यहाँ पे आपके पास कोई ऐसी प्रिडिक्शन नहीं करूंगा दैट दिस मंथ दिस ईयर, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी टफ सब्जेक्ट. हाँ, पीपल आर गेटिंग के भाई कोशिश कर रहे हैं लोग इस पे हम कि कोई एक कंक्लूजन मिले, बट इट इज नॉट सो इजी. आई हैव गिवन यू अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल कि आप किसी से भी रैंडमली पूछ लेना, गूगल सर्च कर लेना, कुछ भी यू फाइंड आउट, यू विल फाइंड दैट 1947 डेट विच आई डोंट एग्री एट ऑल. ठीक, कई लोग मेरे से सुन के नाराज भी हो जाएंगे कि आई एम अगेंस्ट स्पीकिंग अगेंस्ट देम, बट आई एम लीस्ट बॉदर्ड अबाउट दैट. जो फैक्ट है उसको आपको करेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, बेसिक आपको, यू हैव टू करेक्ट इट डाउन.
Totally agreed. You know, that was really a great session with you, sir. You've given, in a very short time, you've given much more insights to ponder upon. You know, we are looking to do more such interviews with you in the coming days, and we want to understand the nitty gritties, like what every individual out there must know about astrology, and how to not get conned by fake astrologers who claim to be and who claim to be experts, right? So it was a great
One more
conversation with you.
request, one more request I will
Yes, sir.
make here. Just be, try to be basic, follow Ayurveda, and try to meditate. Until and unless we don't get a proper medication vaccination solution for this, I will tell all your viewers, be basic, use Ayurveda as much as you can, meditation, and I will share you a link of few mantras that should be chanted daily in the morning and in the evening itself. This will help your viewers, because these mantras are not formed by me. These are Siddh mantras and are chanted thousands and thousands of years ago. तो they have a power of itself. उनके अंदर अपने अंदर ही इतनी power है, और that will help you out. ये मेरा personally मानना है.
Totally agreed. You know, because the complete essence of Indian culture, the complete is just about building a lot of positive thoughts within you, rather than just going out and finding what is wrong. ऐसा क्या होने वाला है, अभी क्या होने वाला है, इसके बाद क्या होने वाला है. You know, it is totally not about that. When you rightly pointed out, and I will definitely urge the viewers to follow all those practices, and we'll be looking forward more such guidance from you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.